Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Murf AI tool to generate voice using AI. Here you can go and type Murf AI. So this one is the tool and platform that you can use. And here you can check different packages. So free package, creator, business and enterprise. Here you can check the price and features, then click on get started. You have multiple options for the sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, Microsoft and Slack. Let me go and select this one and then select my email account, allow access. Okay, now we have created an account. Now let me copy this one, some text, and now add here text. Here you can see we can select different persons. So by default selected will be voice, and here we have different languages options, and also you can see these are the different options that you can select. After that you can play it, click here generate button, and now voice is generated. Click here preview.
Create a high-converting social media video ad for Enable website design.
Okay, we got this audio, then you can export it